Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're holding XRP and want to move it from your Phantom wallet to your Ledger Nano X for better security, you're in the right place. This guide is updated for 2025, so we'll cover the latest steps to make sure everything goes smoothly. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, I'll walk you through this step by step. It's easier than you think. First things first, make sure you have both wallets set up. You'll need the Phantom app installed on your device and your Ledger Nano X connected to your computer with the latest firmware. Also, double-check that your Ledger has the XRP app installed. Head to the Ledger Live app to download it if you haven't already. Step 1. Open your Phantom wallet and select your XRP account. Look for the Send button. It's usually right there on the main screen. Before you proceed, grab your Ledger Nano X's XRP receiving address. Plug in your Ledger, open the XRP app on it, and use the device to generate a new address. Write this down or copy it carefully to avoid any mistakes. Next, in Phantom, paste that Ledger address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of XRP you want to send, but remember to leave enough for any network fees. XRP transactions are super cheap, but you don't want to send it all and get stuck. If required, add a memo or tag, as XRP sometimes needs that for proper routing. Now, review everything on screen. Hit Confirm in Phantom, and you'll be prompted to approve the transaction on your Ledger device. Double-check the details on your Ledger screen. It's your last line of defense against errors. Once you confirm on the Ledger, the transaction will be broadcast to the XRP Ledger network. Wait a few minutes for the transaction to confirm. You can track it using a blockchain explorer like XRP Scan. And that's it, you've successfully transferred your XRP. A quick tip: always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets like Ledger for long-term storage and never share your seed phrases. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.